a little
And
bit
I
sugar,
have the card.
flour, cacao, butter, sugar, and clean almond.
Plain almond.
So we just put it in the hot water
Yeah.
for 10 minutes and just peel off. Okay, you ready to help me?
Are you ready? Be a helper.
Who can be a good helper? Please raise your hand.
Me
Wow.
too.
So we need to, if you want to help me, take a spoon. And let's mix our butter.
Firstly, we need
No, we don't need cacao. No. We need to
Okay.
mix butter
Stir it and mix it.
with sugar.
Sugar.
Just crush it.
That's good.
Yeah, I look forward to your finger cake. Cookie, finger cookie.
Like this.
Oh, be careful.
Give me your cookie. Oh, sorry. You did on my head.
It's like a poison, right? Smells good. Wow.
The banana smell.
Banana smell.
Smells like banana. Oh, so many.
Wow.
I can just spit on my way. My hands are broken. Now it's sticky on my spoon. Next one is
You can
chocolate.
do like this. Finny, you can do like this.
It's so hard.
So hard. Yeah, strong, so good.
Let's do two. What has more?
And now we need to make the fingers. No, wait. We will take a little bit of this and make like a sausage.
Like a sausage.
You like big sausage or small one?
Yeah.
Like big.
You like thin or thick?
Is it this okay to record?
Yes, it is. It's a for culture. We can make a German style sausage.
And we make some lines
Wow.
to make it like a real fingers.
Real fingers.
Then we take our almond, chocolate.
Chocolate there.
Wow.
Stick.
It's like a real finger. Wow.
Oh, color the finger.
Oh, spooky. It's like a worm.
Now make sausages.
It's very good.
I make a longer one.
Okay, put it here.
Longer one.
I can make longer.
Longer.
I can make a
Longer.
longer one.
Long and thick, right?
Long and thick.
And
Oh no, it's too long. Fingers like this.
You better finish that finger.
That's how we do the coconuts.
Oh, awesome. It's like a real finger. Oh my God. Cool.
good.
Teacher,
Yes.
Miss Anna.
Miss Anna, you see, I do the chocolate.
Yeah. Don't call Anna teacher. It's too formal.
Okay.
Too formal. Call Miss Anna. Or pretty Anna.
Pretty Anna. Fairy Anna. Which is Anna?
Fairy Anna.
Fairy Anna.
Now I finish.
Too large. Let's make it two.
You can cut it out.
Okay.
Can you help Miss Anna her hat? Yes.
Good.
Because she's a witches today.
Now I'm gonna take some more.
I think it will the last. We have no space.
We don't have space. Okay, we just
Yeah.
finished this.
Yeah. The last one.
Then we'll-
You can do the last one over there. Still a little space over there.
I want to make it.
Now, just
Godfrey,
make
can
one
you
more
help
picture.
put nails?
The nails.
It's so fun. And my hands are sticking on it.
Yeah. This is what we'll use later. Okay.
So it's time to bake.
Yeah.
Tell audience like how is flavor?
Tasty?
Tasty? Is that tasty?
It's a
Hot?
little bit hot.
Oh.
Good? You like it?
Next time we can help do it.
Yeah. Zombie thinking.
This is small finger. What's small finger? It's a baby witch, right?
Yeah, baby finger.
Scary Squinkle, where are you?